Hey guys, it's Jake. In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze and optimize your clothing brand, or really any business. You first want to do research on the other players in the market. See what they're good at and not good at, then take advantage. So let's do this step by step. First, list the main competitors in your market. This can really be just other brands you admire or look up to, or other brands that you see often in your micro space. Like in the genre of streetwear, there are smaller subsets that certain brand types revolve in more often. So basically other brands that are similar to yours. Second, figure out who those competitors' customers are. Who are buying the competitors' products? What makes those products appealing to them? Third, analyze the products and price points. Note if these competitors are selling high quality or low quality products and what their respective price points are. You may see some brands selling very similar products but very different price points. Why do you think that is? Fourth, figure out the unique selling point, USP, of these competitors. Basically, what makes them stand out? Why are they where they are? Why do customers keep coming back to them? Fifth, what marketing strategies are these competitors using? Observe any sales, discounts, giveaways, promotions, freebies, and so on. Brands sell products and services in different ways, and many use a variety of incentives to achieve this. Some are easy, like a sale, and some are more complex, like an in-person scavenger hunt. So why did we do all this? Once you know how your competitors operate, you can find holes and offer/do things they don't, and/or don't do things they do. Observe their unique selling point, then differentiate yourself to stand out. And if you think this is sneaky or slick, well, you're right, and it's a very normal business practice. Competition is great for the market, and it promotes growth. The second step in all of this is to create a SWOT analysis. If you've read literally anything about business, you've probably seen this before. Super common. S is for strength, W is for weaknesses, O is for opportunities, and T is for threats. Let's run train through all of them. Strengths are things you're good at, like why do people go to you in the market to buy, and basically your unique selling point. Weaknesses are things you're bad at. They're a disadvantage to your brand. How could you improve these? What should you avoid? How can you save more money/stop losing money? Opportunities could be trends in the market, collaborations, local events or pop-up stores, changes in technology and manufacturing, etc. Things that you can begin to do that could benefit your brand's progress and growth. And threats are obstacles you face. What are competitors doing better than you? Could any weaknesses threaten your business? Would changing manufacturing prices disrupt your profit margins? And that's pretty much it. Look at your market, see how competitors behave, and adjust from there. One part of success is doing things better than others, so figure out what those things are. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you learned something new. Comment down below if you have any questions, and check out my brands. They're pretty cool. See ya.